The Denso Oxygen Sensor 234-4261 is engineered as a direct original equipment style replacement, so it installs cleanly in compatible Toyota and Lexus models without modification. Its sensing element responds quickly and accurately to exhaust gas changes, helping the engine computer maintain an ideal air-fuel mixture for smoother driving and stronger throttle response. By feeding precise oxygen data to the engine management system, this sensor can contribute to better fuel economy and more consistent emissions control over time. Denso uses a robust ceramic element with a protective aluminum oxide layer that helps shield the sensor from common contaminants, which supports long service life in real-world conditions. The factory-style connector and correct harness length make it easy to plug into the original wiring, reducing the chance of wiring errors or unreliable splices. Overall, the Denso Oxygen Sensor 234-4261 offers dependable performance, solid build quality, and a fit that feels like it came from the factory.